Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we're in a Ram RHO and we've installed a 23-inch light bar. They come in two versions, either the slim version or the Pro, and I'm going to show you the difference right now when compared to the factory low beams and the high beams. So this is the Pro series light bar. These are the factory lows, these are the factory high beams, and this is the 23-inch Pro series light bar. Pro series light bar has larger reflectors, so it's capable of throwing light a lot further in a distance. It's more of a spot pattern when compared to the slim line. So now let's do the same thing with the slim light bar. This is the factory low beam, this is the factory high beam, and this is the slim line. So notice the slim line is a combo beam pattern. It's a little bit wider angle. With the slim line, you do get a little bit more of peripheral coverage when compared to the Pro. So now I'm going to turn both of them on. I'm going to keep cycling them on and off so that way you guys can see the addition and reduction of light. They're both awesome products. It's very difficult to film the intensity of lighting. So right now this is the Pro. Turn off the Pro. This is just the slim. And turn on the Pro. This is the Pro. And this is the slim. So this is with the Pro, and I'm going to turn on the slim. You can see a little bit more peripheral view. It's a combo beam pattern, so it lights up the tree a little bit more, and it's a little bit wider. So take a look at this. See? So in comparison to the Pro, you're able to light up the surroundings a little bit. So let's do the other way. This is the slim light bar, and when you cycle the Pro, you'll be able to see a little bit more intensity down the road because it's more of a spot beam pattern. Make sure to check out our step-by-step instructions so that way you guys can get confidence to install these products yourself. At the end of the day, it just depends what kind of look you're going for. They're both amazing products. Thank you guys for watching, and I know you guys are going to love the product.